Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can change language on Android. So at the start, launch the device's settings. Next, find and enter the system category. From here, go into Languages, System Languages, and here, if you already have a language you would like to set your system to, you can just drag it to be the first one on this list. And as you can see, the system language change prompt will appear, or if the language you are targeting is not on this list, tap Add a Language option, then add whatever language you would like to switch your system to. So Canada, for instance. Now we'll just drag it all the way to the top and press Change. As you can see, that's it. If you were looking to manage and modify the keyboard language instead, you will need to, first of all, let me change the system back to English. So here you'll need to once again enter the system category of settings, then go into languages, I think. Once again, not really. Probably the keyboard is going to mirror your system languages in most cases, but let's actually open the Gboard preferences to see if, so all your system languages are being automatically added here as far as I'm concerned, but you're still able to separately manage the whatever language set you have for your keyboard. So here, for example, I can erase everything but English, like that. I can add another keyboard, for example, Polish here, and that's how you modify, change, or generally manage your input language, not only the system display language. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.